Hi, welcome to another unboxing. Today we're going to unbox the Roland Acoustic Chorus Mobile AC. It's a great acoustic guitar practice amp. I bought this, so I could use my new acoustic guitar to use this. So I will have like a louder volume when practicing, and it also works portable because it runs also on battery. And it says so. Singer, instrumentalist, vocalist while listening to music as a stage monitor. That's a good one. These are some of the photo sides. Nice. Now let's open this. There you go. Let's see what we have inside. Oh, nice. Oh, it comes with battery. So yes, I have a free 6 alkaline batteries. So right out of the box, you can actually play and use this guitar amp. And it has some reading material, and then I think for registration or whatever. And it has a strap. Comes with a strap. And let's see what's inside. Ooh. This is really small, but it's just quite heavy for its size, though. You know. There you go. It's a Roland stereo. It has a, put it on the tripod. On this side, there's an input for mic and input for guitar, and I guess for audio as well. Nice. This is the battery compartment wherein you can put in 6 AA batteries. Right out of the box, you can actually play it. The power, and then phones for monitoring, and then the pots. So we have volume for the audio, I think for this audio inputs, and then for volume for mic, and then another volume for guitar. And then there's I think a chorus effect on board, and probably putting some wide, maybe doing stereo. And this is some tone, low and high, and it has some onboard reverb as well. Nice. So this is quite heavy for its size, but I think I'll dig it. Like comparing to my other amp that's a portable, the Spark Mini, but this one is it's chargeable, so it has a internal battery. So, and then this one you can play for at least 5 to 6 hours per charge, I guess. But comparing the size, they're pretty small, and they're yep, these are good. I can't wait to use this. And then maybe let's try to put in the battery and then plug in a guitar and see what it sounds like. All right. All right, just gonna open these batteries. Follow the direction. Okay. All right. Now, all right. Let me grab a guitar and a cable. So by the way, I'm using a Taylor 312 acoustic guitar. So let's plug into the guitar, then let's turn it on this side. Huh. Now let's try the chorus. Okay. Try this wide. Not bad at all. So it's pretty loud. Like the pot is only at 12 o'clock, right? And put the tone at 12. I put the volume at 5 o'clock. The reverb. It's a nice sound. Yes, this is good. This is good. See that reverb? Yeah. Thank you very much for watching. That's all I have for today.